Thank you for joining us on 8 News Now at 5. I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Denise Valdez. After a grand jury declines to indict a former Metro police officer on involuntary manslaughter charges, the district attorney is trying to get more facts out about the death of Tashi Farmer.
Farmer died in 2017 after investigators say a combination of an illegal chokehold and meth caused his death during a struggle with Officer Kenneth LaPera. Our own Patrick Walker live in the newsroom with reaction from the Farmer family.
Well, Brian and Denise, after its investigation, Metro arrested LaPera on involuntary manslaughter and oppression under the color of office charges, and District Attorney Steve Wolfson sent the case to the grand jury. But after the panel decided against charging the former officer, today's hearing was the last chance to hear some of the evidence from that case.
Did LaPera use more force than necessary to arrest Tashi?
It's my opinion that he did.
Metro Force Investigation Team Detective Trevor Alsop laying out the details of what led up to Tashi Farmer's death outside the Venetian during a struggle with then Officer Kenneth LaPera in May of 2017.
So once Sergeant Crumrine arrived on the scene, he told Officer LaPera to let go or loosen up on the hold. And it appeared in the video that it was still held for another 44 seconds.
The details and different videos shown of the struggle, often too much for Farmer's mother and family members. LaPera tased Farmer 7 times in under 40 seconds, then struck him in the face at least a dozen times before holding him in an unapproved chokehold for 1 minute and 14 seconds.
I'm not satisfied at all.
Monday's hearing leaving Farmer's family with more questions than answers.
Why the officers that was there did not stop him from killing my baby, because they were standing right there and they were standing there watching. Another question I have is why it took so long to administer CPR.
What we didn't hear Monday is what happened during the grand jury proceedings that led them to decide not to file charges against LaPera, nor did we hear from most of the witnesses and experts who testified. Participation in the fact-finding review is voluntary, and of the 15 people invited to testify, Detective Alsop was the only one who appeared. While this hearing closed the door on any potential case the state would pursue against LaPera, who now lives out of state, the Farmer family's attorney says they are exploring other options.
We are looking at going to the Federal Bureau of Investigation to see if they'll pursue criminal civil rights charges against Officer LaPera.
And on top of that, I'm told the family has filed 2 civil lawsuits in this case, and the ACLU says it is also looking into any options that it might have. Live in the newsroom, Patrick Walker, 8 News Now.